Hello, I hope everyone's doing well. Today we're going to talk about a question that I've heard several times from potential new clients contacting me just here in the last couple of months that I really hadn't heard in the past 15 years. So I thought maybe it'd be something good for us to talk about. And this question is, Mary, is my case too small to hire an attorney? The short answer is, well, it depends, but some factors to look for that might help you or your potential attorney, if you choose to speak to one, determine that would be property damage. We've got lightning here, right? I don't know if you can see right there. He's got a little bit of paint scratch right there. Some here on the back corner, you know, rubbing his racing. And property damage, our adjusters like to point to property damage and say, especially if there's low property damage, if the car didn't get hurt, how could the person inside the car have been hurt? I had a case where a gentleman was in a really old truck, and it was made super, super sturdy, and there was almost no visible damage to the truck. It actually looked kind of like lightning here. It just had some paint scratches. But he banged his head on the window, and as time passed, he continued to have headaches, and he ended up having to have burr holes drilled in his skull to release the pressure that had collected. So that property damage or low property damage is not always the determination to decide if you should or shouldn't hire an attorney, but that would be something to discuss with your attorney when you met with them to discuss potential representation. Another one is, well, Mary, I went to the doctor and I didn't have any broken bones or anything. I mean, I just have this torn tendon in my shoulder, or maybe you have a shoulder sprain or neck sprain, but I didn't have any broken bones. So does that mean that my case isn't big enough to hire an attorney? And that is definitely, it's not required for bones to be broken for you to hire an attorney. In fact, when I was in 10th grade, I played basketball and I went up and took a shot and I came down and my foot turned not only this way, but that way. And I tore 3 ligaments, which those are soft tissues. And when I went to see the orthopedist, he actually told me I would have been better off if I had broken my ankle as opposed to tearing those 3 ligaments in terms of recovery. So you definitely don't need a broken bone to go see an attorney. So again, those are 2 factors, property damage, types of injuries that you might consider when you're going to see an attorney, or if you think you might need to hire an attorney for your personal injury following an accident. But there are also other factors that attorneys are aware of that your average Joe just doesn't know, like if the person that hit you was texting or if the person that hit you was driving while they're intoxicated. There are lots of other factors that can be involved that can greatly affect your claim. So it never hurts to call an attorney. And in fact, I think it's a great idea to call an attorney following an injury to see if that's something the attorney can help you with. As always, stay safe.